Hey there, Mike Dury, Dine in Recruiting, the world's greatest hospitality recruiters in today's 2-minute hire how-to. We're talking about how to hire and how to recruit housekeepers. Oh my goodness, recruiting housekeepers, it doesn't get much more difficult than that. I've had to hire a bunch of them in my day. And let me tell you, there's two very important things you need to know before you can effectively recruit a housekeeper. You need to know these two things before you do anything else. These are the two things you need to make sure that you know. Do you know? Do you? And what are those two things? You might be saying to yourself, if this fool doesn't tell me what those two things are right now, I'm going to reach across the screen and choke him. Well, that's kind of the point of this thing. What are those two things? I'm not going to tell you. What they are very important to your housekeepers. They're the things that housekeepers really want to know before they get interested in a new job. What are those things? Well, they could change. It depends on the people that work at your hotel. It depends on the community that you draw from. Go find out what's important to the people around your hotel, the people that you draw from, and figure out what is important to them. Is it pay? Is it benefits? Is it working conditions? Is it a certain type of schedule? Figure it out. Maybe it's a culture. Once you know those things, then what you can do is you can craft a whole campaign around that information and go out there and target people. Then it starts to get their attention. They might be working at their whatever hotel they're working at right now thinking, man, I just saw an ad for this hotel down the street. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I've been looking for. All right, for more information on how to go out and really aggressively attack housekeepers. I don't mean hurt housekeepers. I love housekeepers. Don't ever hurt a housekeeper. I mean attack the recruiting function of finding housekeepers. Being really competitive. Go out there and making your opportunities stand out. Boy, that's what we do every day at Dine in Recruiting. Just go to dineinrecruiting.com. I'll see you over there, and I'll see you on the next 2-minute hire how to.